Hello guys, welcome to the Decon tag. In this video, I am creating an Android project printing in Bluetooth thermal printer. Let's start. First, create a new project. And select empty views activity. Click on next button. And now insert the project name Bluetooth thermal printer and select language kotlin and click the finish button. Now project is creating and wait some time. And now go to resource folder and layout and activity main.xml. And go to design mode. And insert a text view and a edit text and name this device name and a button for select printer and a button for print. Create some function and now they select the button, select printer and create a function, on click function, scan bt, right click here, hover the mouse here and create scan bt on activity main. And now create a function under print button, id button 2, on click function, under on click create a function print on main activity and go to the main activity kt first go to the folder option and Gradle build Gradle, click on build Gradle and enable build feature here, view binding build feature, view binding equal true. And now sync now, click on sync now. Gradle project sync in progress. Okay, now close this and now go to the manifest. First declare some variable for view binding. Declare a variable binding activity main binding and inflate the layout inflator and set the title Bluetooth printer example in kotlin. And now go to the manifest file and set here the user's permission for Bluetooth. I have set some permission Android.Bluetooth permission.Bluetooth for SDK level 30, maximum level 30 and Bluetooth admin and Bluetooth permission, Bluetooth connect, Bluetooth advertise, and Bluetooth admin. And now go to layout folder and create new XML layout file. Now I have created two XML layout file, item underscore list.xml for displaying paired device list, and another is first show the XML view. Go to the code, and this is the XML view for item list XML, and scan bt.xml. And now show the code view for scan bt XML. I have created a list view and item this bt lst, bt underscore lst, and a text view, and set id bt name. And set the text Bluetooth device list. And now go to the activity main. Name main activity dot kt. Right. First create a class. Right click here, new kotlin class, and name this connection class, and press enter key, and declare a variable and declare this open class. Close this. And now go to the activity main and declare some function here, some variables here. I have declared some variables bt permission and set the value false for storing the current status for Bluetooth connection, Bluetooth permissions, and Bluetooth adapter, sockets, Bluetooth devices, output stream, input stream, and work thread, read buffers, and read buffer position. And now declare some more variables here. Var stop worker, set the value false. Private var value, set the value empty, and connection class. And now initialize the connection class here. First create a Bluetooth launcher, Bluetooth permission launcher. Now create a activity result launcher. Now create a function scanBT. I have created a scanBT function. First rename this function BT right. And replace this BT scan. And also replace here BT scan, because scan BT is already present here. First declare this annotation missing permission and create a function BT scan and declare variables Bluetooth manager, Bluetooth adapter, and create a alert dialog box for displaying paired device to select. And this is the code. And now create a function here BT activity result, and now go to this part permission launcher, BT activity result launcher dot launch, and enable BT intent. Now Bluetooth permission part is done. Now create a function here. Check permission. And insert the code below this check permission. And this is print button. Now create a function for initialize printer. And now create a function and insert the code under this function. And now create a function initialize printer. And insert an annotation for missing permission here. And insert the code under this function initialize printer. Now create a function print invoice. Declare some variables. I am making a small invoice format for printing and declare these variables: invoice header, tax invoice, address, discount tag, mobile, GSTN, bill number. string builder and create 5 blocks of string builder. In this string builder, store header data and middle data. In this data 1, store middle data and text data 2 for storing invoice. And now text data dot append these variables values: invoice header, company name, mobile number and GST number, and store this string bill numbers and table numbers and date and time. Now set the printer align left and append data on text data 1, align in this section store invoice detail. So I am using for loop I in until and set the price 10, items and value of I. Now append the data on text data 2. In this section, we will store totals value. In this section, I will set the printer's font size double. So total value is displaying a big size of font. In the last section is the footer section. In this last section, we will print message and another message Android app and 4 empty lines, new lines. In the last section, we will set the font size, normals and print align center. And now create a function for printing. Now create a function for printing, intent print, and pass the all values. Set data type string and copy this value. And now check the condition. If connection class dot printer name not empty, first initialize the printer and check the size of data. If socket is not null, and these are the codes for setting font 1x for normal font size, and this is for align center and align left. These byte codes for align left, and font size for setting font size double, and this code for feed paper and cuts. And finally flush the output stream and close the socket and close the output stream. This is the code under intent print. And now go to the print invoice. And call the function intent print. Intent print. And pass here all string builder. Text data, and these are string builder. To convert to string, set to string to string, now code is ready, and check the code. And insert the code under print button. Print invoice. Check permission. If permission granted, then print invoice, else check permission. Now run the application and test. Error in displaying while debugging, manifest file, multiple errors. Go to the manifest file and remove this permission. and now run the app. Now app is running. Check the permission status. Okay. Now app is running perfectly. And test this app in physical device. Now create a APK file. Finally check the all codes.